Have a nice day. Thank you. Oh, this is gonna be just chaos. Maybe he's gonna parallel park. I gotta accept this one. It's $11. Thank you. You're welcome.
You want any coffee?
Two. There you go. Put it in my bag. Food delivery?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here it is. There you go.
That's it, right?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. You can drive. Cyber yuck. Another one. Nice doggy. Nice doggy. Nice doggy. I think they'll jump out and bite me. That's all I need. There you go. Okay. Have a good day. Thank you. It's just terrific. Oh yeah, nice and windy now. Look out. The situational awareness of some people. Jeez. Someone's Mercedes is getting towed. Look at that. Rules for thee, not for me. You're good. That's a shame. You're in a big hurry to race to get to that red light up there? Red light, red light. And yep, there he goes. He was on the wrong side of the street. That's how people drive. They drive like maniacs. Idiot. Look at this. This is why they get a ticket. Look at this buffoon. Look at how they park. That's why they get a ticket. They use that excuse. I don't want to get snowed in. I don't want my car to get buried. I would rather my car get buried than have like someone come and sideswipe it because it's out in the middle of the street. A BMW that actually used the turn signal? I'm shocked. Come on. Excuse me, you can go. I know what you're doing. Stupid. Good. I know. Oh, okay.
Waiting outside.
There you go. With the little dogs. Yeah, have a nice day. There's Cujo again. Jesus. Bye, Cujo. This is fun. Splish splash. Well, I'll be able to clean my bike again for the 25,000th time this year because I'm riding in the snow. It's like rusting away. Someone's car's gonna fall through there eventually. Look at that. I just changed the tube last night because I got a flat yesterday, and now I'm getting another flat today, which is great. should be it. Put the valve stem, the valve core back in. If nothing else, you get a good arm workout. 2 flat tires within 24 hours. Okay, excellent. Come on. Okay. All right. Let's get back on the road. $10. Amazon. Worth every penny.